Hello, students. Today we are going to get about the chapter our supplementary reader book Footprints Without Feet, Chapter 1 A Triumph of Surgery by James Harriot. A small introduction about the author that James Alfred White Harriot. He was an English veterinary surgeon and writer. He was born on October 3rd, 1916 in Sunderland, England. He was a noted veterinary surgeon, but he utilized his vast experience in writing stories about animals. He wrote a series of books of stories about animals and their masters, and he died on 23rd of February 1995 at the age of 78. Now, with regard to the writer, here is a very nice story with respect to a pet dog. The story is very sweet and very simple, and the love between the dog and his mistress is seen, and how the doctor Harriot treats the dog when he falls ill. Now here three characters are mentioned in the lesson. Mrs. Pumphrey, she is the mistress of the dog. The dog name is Tricky, and the writer himself, the Harriet, Dr. Harriet. Now, the story, A Triumph of Surgery, revolves around an ill dog named Tricky and his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. The dog was usually fat. His eyes were blood red and rheumy. Mrs. Pumphrey gave her malt, cod liver oil, and bowl of Horlicks. Still, Tricky had no energy. The doctor advised her to cut down on sweet things. Tricky left eating and kept vomiting. He was to be hospitalized. The doctor gave Tricky nothing to eat for first 2 days except water. On the third day, there were signs of improvement. He started taking food properly. The doctor didn't give him any medical treatment. Mrs. Pumphrey continued inquiring about Tricky on phone. When she came to collect the dog, tears were shining in her eyes. She called this magical recovery as a triumph of surgery. Now, we will discuss a small main points of the story as Dr. Harriet was really worried to see the dog Tricky. He was very fat, his eyes were red and rheumy. Mrs. Pumphrey, the mistress of Tricky, had been giving him malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks every night. Dr. Harriot found that the only fault of Tricky was his greed for food. The doctor advised Mrs. Pumphrey to cut down his food rightly and give him exercise daily. Within a few days, the doctor received a call from Mrs. Pumphrey. Tricky was not eating anything and was vomiting again and again. He lay down panting and didn't go for a walk. Dr. Harriot suggested Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky must be hospitalized for about a fortnight. The poor lady almost fainted, but at last Tricky was taken to the hospital. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around Dr. Harriot, and Tricky looked silently at them lying motionless on the carpet. For 2 days, Dr. Harriot kept an eye on Tricky and gave him no food but plenty of water. Next day, Doctor was pleased to see Tricky jostling his way to his food bowl. No medical treatment was given to Tricky. Let us continue with the reader lesson. Tricky's progress was rapid and he started running about the dogs, joining in their friendly barkings. Dr. Harriot informed Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky was out of danger and was recovering rapidly. Mrs. Pumphrey was excited to hear the news and started bringing fresh eggs to build his strength. Even wine and brandy were given to improve Tricky's constitution. One day, Dr. Harriot phoned Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky had recovered and she could take him home. Within 2 weeks, Tricky had been transformed into a flexible and hard muscled animal. When he saw his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, he leaped and reached to her lap. Mrs. Pumphrey thanked Dr. Harriot. Her eyes were wet and lips trembled. She called Tricky's recovery a triumph of surgery. Here, Mrs. Pumphrey was so attached to the dog that she could not bear that her dog was not eating something. So she was too much concerned after hospitalizing also. And when Dr. Harriot called her, she was so happy with the recovery of Tricky that she insisted his recovery as a triumph of surgery. A very simple lesson. Any difficulties you can ask, and you can solve the textual questions also.